What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video of Stock Talk where we talk stocks and crypto. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. And in Bitcoin right now, we can see that we are finally going up. Right now I'm on the day frame, but you guys can see this big old green candlestick. We've actually touched 31.5. I know I haven't uploaded in a minute, but let me just put this little quick horizontal line. If you guys can see, these wicks right here are matching up with these wicks right here, so I can put a resistance right there, and we'll make this one red for right now. I'm not on the main Bitcoin chart because I was messing around with this one. After a while, you need to just make a whole fresh new chart, and this one's looking like I need to start doing another fresh one. But when I am on the week frame, on the weekly frame, it looks like right here let's take a closer look. Right here, these have crossed over, so when the orange line is on top of the blue line, typically that means we're having more selling going on than buying. And when they cross over, as you guys can see right about here, the blue crossed over, and then we've seen a very strong bullish momentum. So the question is, are we going to start seeing a very strong bullish rise because this has crossed over, or are we going to quickly turn back around like we did right here and keep going bearish like this? So for the guys that pay attention to the crypto news and stuff like that, we have the XRP versus SEC case tomorrow at June 7th. I'm not too sure what time it's going to be on, but I believe that's going to play a big factor on whether the market's going to continue bullish or bearish. And if I take a look right here, I'm not too sure when this candle is going to close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think this one already closed, and if it did already close, this is a doji, and when this typically happens, we see a reversal on whatever the trend may be. So in this case, we are going down, and this doji happens, that means it's going to be a reversal going back up. So hopefully that's what's actually going to happen. And then one thing on top of that, I wanted to point out, the cherry on top, is that we are crossing over these two right here as soon as we're hitting this support line that we've had since way over here of March 2020. You guys can see these wicks, boom, this support right here. So if we fail this support, man, we're going to be seeing a big capitulation that we haven't seen in a minute. And that could take us to the high of this one right here, which was like 19K. Yeah, exactly. It could take us all the way to the 20,000, which seems like it could be something likely. There's a lot of things happening in the world geopolitically and whatever big word you want to use, all that terminology and shit. We got all this playing a big factor on whether the market will be bearish or bullish. As of right now, in my eyes, this is looking kind of bullish. This is looking pretty bullish, honestly. This is looking pretty bullish. The only thing I'm worried about is if it's going to do something like this or like this. I'm kind of hoping we see something like this and like this. So look what happens when it crossed over. Blue crosses over the orange line, and then we just go bullish. And then that's when things like this start to happen, which is 8K all the way to like 12K, which it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's about a 33% gain, I believe, just off the top of my head. But little things like this, we can see some on this one. Look at this one right here. It crossed over, took us all the way up here, and guess what happened? We went from here, well, we can say from like right here of like 10,000, and then we rallied up all the way to 42,000. So hopefully that's something we can see right there. So if we take a measurement of like this from there, let's just do that real quick. Let's see what we get. Man, how I do that? Alright, bet. So if I take measurement from right here to like right about here, that was about, damn, from 9K all the way to 42K was a 300% gain. So can we see a potential 300% gain from 31,000? That would take us to about 90,000. And there was some chart formations I've had on the other charts, on my other Bitcoin charts, that actually show that we can potentially hit that 90K. But since I didn't have it prepped up, I'm not gonna waste my time too much into it and trying to figure out how I had to set up all the way. So yeah, once again, the question is if this is gonna be the reversal, including the doji we have right here. So we have a potential doji right here and a flip on the RSI. So another thing I wanted to point out that could contradict this is that on the hourly frame we are actually overbought. On the 4-hour chart we're overbought, and on the day chart we are, oh, actually the day chart is looking quite, it looks alright. You know, it's not the best chart, but you know, definitely looks like we're probably mimicking this right here. If you guys can see this right here, we did the M and then we faked the reversal and came shot right back down. So it looks like the M faked the reversal and we might shoot all the way back down. But I'm not a financial advisor, do everything based on your own due diligence, only invest what you're willing to lose. So with that being said, you guys gotta just do your own research. As you guys can see again right here, here's the M pattern, the fake of the reversal, and shoot back down. We can keep looking in the past, trying to find more. Look, another one, M, fake the reversal, shoot back down. So with that being said, the question is up to you guys. Do you guys think this is bullish or do you guys think this is bearish? Keep in mind we have the XRP versus SEC case tomorrow. We'll be hearing the hearing tomorrow. It's all going to be in-person conference, and you guys can tap in on the call. I'm not going to be doing none of that stuff. I'm just going to probably watch like all those other YouTubers that actually do it. But that's going to pretty much wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up, like the video, do it twice, share it to your friends, comment down below anything you guys want me to chart read or talk about in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed once again. Peace.